So good morning students. So last class we discussed combinational circuit and its introduction. So this class we are going to discuss about iterative combinational circuits. So in the arithmetic function, so operate on binary vectors, use some subfunction in each bit position. So can design a functional block diagram for subfunction and repeat to obtain functional block diagram for overall function. Cell in the sense subfunction block. Iterative array. An array of interconnected cells is nothing but iterative or iterative array. So an iterative array can be a single dimensional, 1D or multiple dimensional wavefront and systolic array. So this is a block diagram of 1D iterative array. So here number of inputs, number of outputs, truth table rows, equation with high number of terms. So iterative array take advantage of regularity to make design feasible. So functional blocks. So addition. So addition development we have half adder, that is 2 input bitwise additional functional block, full adder, that is 3 input bitwise additional functional block, triple carry adder, an iterative array to perform binary addition. So carry look ahead adder. So a hierarchical structure to improve performance. So this is a functional block of half adder. So half adder is a combination circuit which is used to add 2 binary bit. So it has 2 input and 2 output. So x and y are the inputs and sum and carry are the outputs. So here 2 bit means 2 power n outputs. That is 2 power 2 which is equal to 4 combination. That is 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So you have to add 0 0 means we will get sum 0 carry 0. 0 1 means sum 1 carry 0. 1 0 means sum 1 carry 0. 1 1 means 0 carry sum 0 and carry will be 1. So a half adder adds 2 bits to produce a 2 bit sum. A sum is expressed as a sum bit S and a carry bit expressed as C. So this is a truth table for half adder, that is x, y are the inputs. 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, there are 4 combination. Sum and carry are the outputs. Sum will be 0 1 1 0, carry will be 0 0 1. That is carry is nothing but AND gate. That is truth table of AND gate. Sum is nothing but truth table for XOR gate. So this is a logic simplification of half adder. So this is a K map. So for sum and carry, x, y are the inputs, sum and carry are the outputs. So you have to draw the K map. And to reduce the expression, so S which is equal to x dot y bar plus x bar dot y which is equal to x exclusive y. S which is equal to x plus y into x bar plus y bar. And C will be x dot y which is equal to multiplication of 2 inputs. So this is the implementation of half adder. So this slide shows the implementation of half adder. The most half adder implementation is sum which is equal to x, x or y, c which is equal to x into y. So the logic diagram can be drawn by x, y are the inputs. So we have to take the input from x and y. So we have to give the input to XOR gate and it will be a sum, output sum. So carry can be designed by AND gate. So X and Y input will be given to the AND gate, the output will be carry. So this is a logic diagram of half adder. And the next is a functional block diagram of full adder. A full adder is similar to half adder. So but includes a carry in bit from lower stages. So like that the half adder, it computes a bit S and carry bit C. So it has 3 input and 2 outputs. X, Y, Z are the inputs, sum and carry are the outputs. So here 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. So it has a 7, 8, from 0 to 7, 8 combination. So input is 3. So 2 power n which is equal to output. So 2 power 3 which is equal to 8 output from 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 up to 1, 1, 1. So you have to add and get the sum and carry. So this is a truth table for X, Y, Z. Truth table for full adder. So here inputs are X, Y, Z. Outputs are sum and carry. So 0, 0, 0 and sum will be 0, carry will be 0. So in the combination of 0, 0, 1 means sum will be 0, sum will be 1, carry will be 0. So like that you have to calculate 1, 1, 1. So carry will be 1, sum will be 1. So from that truth table you have to draw the full adder K map. So this is a 3 variable K map. So you have to draw the 0 to 7. So here we have 8 minterms. So from that we can express, reduce the expression and we can draw the logic diagram. So equation for full adder from K map, sum which is equal to X, Y bar, Z bar plus X bar, Y, Z bar plus X bar, Y bar, Z plus X, Y, Z. So the carry will be X, Y plus X, Z plus Y, Z, which is equal to X, Y plus X plus Y into Z. So here simply sum will be X exclusive, Y exclusive, Z, and carry will be X, Y plus Z. So this is a logic expression or boolean expression for full adder. So this is a logic diagram for full adder. So here sum will be X exclusive, Y exclusive, Z. So we have 3 inputs and 3 inputs will be given to the XOR gate and carry will be AND gate. So the 3 inputs will be given to the AND gate, will get the carry. So the next is sequential adder. So this is 1 bit memory and 2 to 4 bit memory and only one full adder, 4 clocks to get the output. The 1 bit memory defines a circuit state 0 or 1. So A0 to A3, B0 to B3. So it will be given to the full adder circuit. We have output, sum and carry. So the 4-bit triple carry binary adder. See a 4-bit triple carry adder made from 4 1-bit full adders. So here we are using 4 full adder circuit. We are giving A0 to A4, A3 and B0 to B3. We are giving the 2 input to 1 full adder circuit. We will get the output C1 to C4. So the output of first full adder will be given to the input of the next. So the second output will be given to the third full adder circuit, and output of the third full adder circuit will be given to the fourth full adder. Output of the fourth full adder circuit will be a carry. Okay. So this is triple carry adder. So this circuit shows the triple carry adder circuit. So here we are using 4 full adder circuit and A0 to A3, B0 to B3 and carry and sum. So this is a logic diagram for full adder circuit using full adder and gates. Carry, look at ahead logic. Carry generate GI which is equal to AI BI. So must generate carry when A is equal to B is equal to 1 means carry propagate PA which is equal to AI X or BI. Okay, so sum which is equal to A XOR BI or CI. Otherwise PI XOR CI. So again re-express the carry logic as follows: C1, C2, C3, C4. So G0 plus P0, C0. So we can substitute the previous equation in C2 equation. Again, so you can substitute the C2 equation in C3, C3 equation in C4. So finally we get the expression which will be given the slide. So this is carry look at implementation circuit.